So recently I attended a talk and they were talking about morning routines and rituals and how important this is. And this is always an area where I've struggled. I think I've been very open about the fact I'm someone who's always had a very high cortisol. So for many years, I would wake up in the morning and feel absolutely exhausted. My sleep was quite poor until I started bringing in supplements like ashwagandha and magnesium. So it would take me ages to drift off. Then I wouldn't sleep well. And then I'd wake up feeling very groggy and it would take me several hours to come round. And this has probably been a pattern since childhood. So obviously my sleep is now so much better. Most nights I get a better quality of sleep. Obviously not every night because things get in the way, or maybe my routine hasn't been as good, or I'm overstimulated, or I'm not allowing enough sort of like downtime in the evening. But my sleep is a lot better. However, I haven't quite got into the whole thing of having a morning routine. So, there's the whole thing, oh, you should get up at 5 a.m. And, yeah, in theory, that sounds great. But I don't think I'm going to be someone who's going to bed at like 9 p.m. really to be able to do that. Maybe in another 5 years or 10 years time, but not right now. And then I end up feeling like I'm not starting my day in the right way. And then that sets a tone for the rest of the day. Because I'm like, oh, I should have got up earlier and done some meditation or some stretching. And then I'm already starting the day berating myself. So one of the talks I went to at the trauma conference I attended was really interesting because they were saying you just have to find something that's doable and sustainable for you and that you enjoy, because the more you enjoy it, the more you're going to be able to do it, which got me thinking, well, there are things I do enjoy doing. Like, some mornings I do want to do a little guided meditation or visualization. Some mornings I don't. I'm probably not going to do a full yoga class every morning, but I could maybe do 5 minutes of stretching. Something that's always been a big passion and a huge part of my life has been music. I love dancing. I'm not saying I'm good at it, but I love doing it. I love singing. I love listening to music. So I thought, okay, this is something I could do and incorporate quite easily. I can pop on some tunes that bring me joy, make a little playlist, and then, have a little dance while I'm getting ready, maybe have a little sing. And this course also, I went to so many talks saying, using your voice, humming, singing, stretching your voice has huge benefits for your vagus nerve and your autonomic nervous system, and calming your body down and getting yourself in tune with yourself and your breath. So I think that's really very valuable. And I'm like, okay, maybe I can bring in some things that I enjoy already and that, make me feel good. And then I can maybe bring in some more things as time goes on. So that's something I'm going to try and implement into my routine. And yeah, if I can do a little bit of breath work in the morning or meditation or mindfulness, that's great. But I think, and I do often say this to my patients, sometimes the biggest thing we need to do is just take the foot off the gas and be a bit kinder to ourselves and a bit easier to ourselves. And quite often the advice I give to others is advice I should be taking for myself. So I hope that helps you in some way, and hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.